Hi, I'm Sara Ellis, and I cannot make jewelry without these 5 things: chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, flush cutter, stepped bell making pliers, and some form of nylon wire straighteners. Chain nose pliers are essential to making jewelry. Not only are they great for getting into tight spaces, but they also make perfect sharp angles when bending wire, and having 2 pairs of chain nose pliers is the best way to open and close jump rings and other findings, just like this. So you want to hold one jump ring in one pair of pliers, and then using your second pair of pliers, you want to grab the other side of the jump ring and open the jump ring laterally using both pairs of pliers. I have to have round nose pliers for making loops. Loops are essential in any jewelry making. You can make several different sizes of loops with your round nose pliers because the jaws of the pliers are tapered. So creating loops is very easy. Place your pliers with the wire running between the jaws of the pliers. Guide your wire up and over to create a perfect loop. Flush cutters are really important to jewelry making. Not only can you cut your bead stringing wire with your flush cutters, but they're perfect for cutting your soft and half-hard wires and creating that nice flush cut. So to use your flush cutters, you want to cut with the amount of wire that you want to keep on the side of the flush cutter that is actually smooth. If you cut with the other side, you're going to get a sharp angle. So cutting with the flush side is just your reminder: flush side, flush cut. So you're going to just put the wire into your flush cutter. You've created a flush cut that, when creating loops, will lay nicely against the surface of the wire. The stepped bell making pliers are a great addition to your round nose pliers. You can make 6 different sizes of loops using your bell making pliers, as well as making bells themselves. The stepped bell making pliers create a 2mm loop, 3mm, 5mm, 6mm, 8mm, and 9mm loop. Beadalon offers 2 different ways to straighten wire as you're working with it, and having one or both of these is a must. The nylon jaw pliers are perfect for straightening shorter pieces of wire, and the nylon wire straightener is perfect for straightening out longer pieces of wire that have been worked and kinked. To use the nylon jaw pliers, simply place the wire between the jaws of the pliers and pull the wire through to straighten your wire.